On this edition of our Future Videos series, we will be talking about the semantic search. So as we see above us here, the example we'll be using belongs to a patent about photoacoustics imaging devices. This is designed with the purpose of enhancing depth, contrast, and facilitating early-stage breast cancer detection. So the summary that we see in front of us will be our reference point to use for the input. Bear in mind the input is not necessarily tied to a specific either section of a document from patents or literature, academic papers. This could be any technical language that you find encompasses the solution and also providing an overview of the problem you are designing a solution for. Once we have provided enough information, we simply just click on the search at the bottom right, and we will see a list of results that provide us with various different types of information from relevant documentation that is close to such a solution. So if you're planning to develop it, you're aware of who else has developed similar technologies, so as to find the innovation or find the gap that you can provide that solution for. A encounter with the competition and potential business collaborators through the list of companies that are found on the refinement window on the left-hand side here. And most importantly, once we have been able to get acquainted with these patents, we can of course click on this compare feature, which we will discuss momentarily, where you're able to develop a visual of the inputs that uses our AI LLM model to compare it with the text of the document to make it a much easier process to review without having to be fully acquainted and can read patent documentation. So to summarize, this gives us the ability to understand what the competitive landscape looks like, potential business collaborators, new solutions that we've developed, what currently exists so that we find that gap for those solutions, and also to prevent ourselves from entering potential risks when developing patents that might be very similar to others in the same space.